If it's muscles you want, you will get them. You cannot get these things overnight. There is no way you'll get these things overnight. So, yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am telling you why you struggle working out, why you struggle going to the gym. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number one, your reason is not strong enough. Guys, the first thing that makes a man go to the gym, there is a why. Why are you going to the gym? Why are you not sleeping like the rest of the men out here? Why are you going to the gym? If your why and your comfort zone, if your comfort zone is heavier or is stronger than your reason to get up every day and go to the gym, there is no way you'll ever find it easy to go to the gym. Because for sure, I can tell you for the last 1.5 years, yes, 1.5 years, I've only missed. Now, I go to the gym 6 times a week. And for the last 1.5 years, I'd say maybe 10 days. I have skipped the gym 10 days. 10 days. Now, I have a pretty good reason why I go to the gym. I have a very, very good reason. And it is essential for you to know exactly what you're getting out from going to the gym. Number 2, you put too much pressure on yourself. Guys, relax. If it's muscles you want, you will get them. You cannot get these things overnight. There is no way you'll get these things overnight. So when you put too much pressure on yourself when you go to the gym, you want to lift the heaviest weights, do the most reps, whatever it is you do, relax. Because you have to understand that it is just a step. It's just one step at a time. If you are bench pressing 50 kgs, tomorrow 50, the next week 52. When you find that it's been a year, you're almost at 70 clean bench presses. So guys, it's not a competition with anyone. It is just a path for you to be better every single day. Even if that means a tiny progress, it's still a progress. Because remember, this journey is not a linear path. It's I don't know the curve that compound interest has, but when you look at the compound interest, the more you progress, the more interest you gain, the more progress you have. So release the pressure, relax. When you go to the gym, do the workout, or have a plan that you know exactly works for you, without hurting you, without hurting your motivation, without you being too complacent. It's something that pushes your boundaries, keeps you out of your comfort zone. Number 3, you have slept on one discipline. Guys, you have to understand that discipline in general is just having a plan and following it consistently. In your diet, in your fitness, in your finances, in your dating life, in the way you interact, in the way you carry yourself. And once one side becomes complacent, say for example you are on track on everything, but you fail and decide to knock one out because you are too emotional, or the lady that was supposed to come to your place never showed up, flaked on you, and you decide to knock one out. then you've already become complacent in that area, and that affects your general discipline. So the next day you don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Whether it is your diet, whether it's your finances, whatever it is that you did that was a mistake, because it's just a mistake. If you say, for example, in your business you did a mistake that cost you, a good chunk of money, then it's going to affect you psychologically, and therefore the next day you will not have the motivation to continue. So if you let these feelings overwhelm you, then there is no way you will continue to the gym. You'll give up. This is what most people do. But understanding that even if you do a mistake, then you face the consequences as you move, as you progress. Pick yourself up from where you fell, dust yourself, and continue moving. Because guys, if you let your emotions decide, if you let your emotions decide for you, so today I'm not going to the gym because I don't feel like it, then you will start relaxing on every other part of your life. And once you relax, that's it. There's no more money coming in. The women don't find you attractive. Everything starts to everything starts to fall apart. Last but not the least, you need a timeout. Guys, if you really have been hitting it hard, then sometimes your body just tells you it's time to relax, it's time to switch things up a little. So maybe it's just your body telling you, hey, if we continue, we are going down a rabbit hole. Yes, there is no progress that we will make if we continue whatever it is we are doing. Now, for example, I like to push myself. I like to push myself in the gym to the limits where I've hit failure. But when you injure yourself, or let me use an injury for example. The last time, I had a shoulder injury, and I was still pushing myself, pushing every time in the gym. But it reached a point where I really had to, take a time out and take a rest. Let the body rejuvenate. So when you feel like it's inevitable, and when I say inevitable, I mean this is your last resort, taking time out. You are taking time out to rest, to let your body heal, so that when you come back strong. So anyway guys, those were the 4 main reasons why you don't really want to go to the gym. And make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.